Good morning. As a second day, this is second day of my blog. The weather is wonderful today and I feel ready to continue. I wish you all a productive day. If you've been wanting to start something for a while, go for it. I just finished my workout and I should use transition between the scenes. It turns out setting up a YouTube channel isn't a quick task. I picked a photo and created banner for the homepage. And yeah, for you this is second video, but I'm still editing the first one. The first step after breaking up with my girlfriend is food. There is no one to cook for me. For a few days I've been finishing up leftovers for the fridge, but now it's all gone. Oh well, I just have to cook for myself. I cooked a smash, just like Asian beans. It's done. And I have lamb meat. It's lamb meat. I don't know. Never eat this. Yeah, boy. Not too long ago I started getting into powerlifting, and in order for my muscles and strength to grow, I need to eat properly and a lot. So I'm heading to the store for groceries.